In the home page, click on the search bar. You can search by designs, templates, images, folders, videos, or files. You can also search by the design category, ownership, and date modified. So this is where naming your files becomes really important. You want to make sure you name something so that it can easily be searched. So let's say, for example, I want to search for an escape room design that I've created, but I'm not sure where it's at. So I can just type in escape room. And here, Canva will pull out all the designs, all the folders, all the images, anything that is relevant to the search term that I used in the search bar. So I can go through some of these designs here and then pick out which one I want to edit or delete or do whatever. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.